Chilling out in Ebonyi State just got a lot more easier. Ride along with us as we take you through some of the best hotels in Ebonyi State. Wait, hold up, do you like rumors? What's on the street has it that one of these hotels is owned by the current Ebonyi State governor? Follow carefully to find out which one. So let's continue. So before going to your hotel room, you might want to stop at Spera and to have a look at the bigger picture of the city, or still enter the mall to shop yourself rotten. Chap, chap, chap. Either way, are you new to our channel? Be sure to subscribe and thumbs up for more awesome content. Let's begin. Ryan Hotel and Suite. Ryan Hotel and Suite is located at number 32 Onwe Road, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, Nigeria. The prices at Ryan Hotel and Suite ranges from 40,000 naira to 140,000 naira per night. Blossom Heights Unique Hotel. Blossom Heights Unique Hotel is located at number 16B, Godi Ogbaga Avenue, Ntezi Aba, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, Nigeria. The room prices at Blossom Heights Unique Hotel starts from 35,000 naira to 200,000 naira per night. Anson Suite. Anson Suite is located at number 2, Eze-Okweja Street, mile 50, Periperi, Old Enugu Road, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, Nigeria. The room prices at Anson Suite ranges from 25,000 naira to 40,000 naira per night. Abuson Hotels. Abuson Hotels is located at number 16, Onitsha Street, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, Nigeria. The room prices at Abuson Hotels ranges from 30,000 naira to 250,000 naira per night. Ritona Hotels and Suites. If you're wondering which of the hotels is owned by the current Ebonyi State Governor, there you have it. Ritona Hotels and Suites is located at number 7, Ritona Avenue, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, Nigeria. The room prices at Ritona Hotels and Suites ranges from 45,000 naira to 160,000 naira per night. Caoni Hotel and Suites. Caoni Hotel and Suite is located at Unity FM Junction, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, Nigeria. The room prices at Caoni Hotel and Suite ranges from 20,000 naira to 30,000 naira per night. Franklin Hotel. Franklin Hotel is located at number 31B, Mbamagbo Street, along G Hostel Junction, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, Nigeria. The room prices at Franklin Hotel ranges from 18,000 naira to 40,000 naira per night. Monabliss Hotel and Suite. Monabliss Hotel and Suite is located at Norom Street, Mile 50, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, Nigeria. The room prices at Monabliss Hotel and Suite ranges from 15,000 naira to 40,000 naira per night. What do you think about these hotels? Let's talk about it in the comment section below. We'll catch up next time.